Hey boys and girls, this is Wildman Willis back again doing another old school toy review. Now we looking at one of the insecticons from the Transformers Generation 1 line. This is Kickback. Basically, we all know what he is. There's a giant robotic grasshopper. One of the medium, small size Transformers that you got pretty cheap. It was 3 Insecticons in the original set, and this is one of the first ones I got a hold of. I might try to get a hold of some of the other ones later on, but basically this had a simple transformation, and basically the Insecticons were on their own. They were more like mercenaries than anything else. But we're gonna look at Kickback. With his transformation is very simple. Most of the Transformers have very simple transformations. Wasn't too complicated to transform this figure, and we're gonna see how easy it is to transform right now. It's basically the action figure itself. He came with a gun that fit on his hand. Very simple transformation. His chest opened up. I don't know why. You can't really put nothing in it for real. So, but that's basically it for the transformation on this particular figure. Kinda cool looking and futuristic, but you can still see his buggy parts on him. So that's basically Kickback from the G1 Transformers. It's Wildman Willis saying see you later, and of course look at me on my Twitter page, Nasty Will DC, and the Cherry Truth Podcast. See ya!